welcome back to Oida's Kitchen. Well, today I'll be making some fricassee chicken. And fricassee chicken, you don't use any browning. So this is all my season that I'm going to use. And in this I have Maggi chicken, Maggi all-purpose, special jerk, orange spice, and some dried parsley. I'm not going to put any salt in it until I'm ready to cook down my chicken. So I'm going to use all of this, and I'm also going to use some fresh scallion, thyme, garlic, carrot, onion, pepper, sweet pepper, and Irish potato. And I'm going to season up everything. Right here. Don't afraid to use your hands. Okay. And I'm gonna rub in this properly. Right. And I'm going to make it marinate for maybe like half an hour until I'm ready to cook it. So here guys, here's my chicken that has been marinated for half an hour. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over to my stove and I'm going to start now by browning off my chicken piece by piece. Come on. So I'm going to start. Take off all the seasoning. If two little piece sketchy in there, now you don't have a problem. So. So guys, this is how you want your chicken to look. We're going to brown them on each side. Okay, so I'm going to let them finish off now on the next side. So guys, I'm going to take out these sets. They're nice and brown there. Same blue. I'm going to add in the rest of my chicken. Yes, I'm going to leave them to brown and then I'm going to cook it down. So guys, I'm going to add in back my chicken, as this is the last set. So I'm going to just add them in back in the pot. And then I'm going to add some water too. when I'm finished, when it starts boiling up, then I'm gonna add in my seasoning, okay? So guys, see how my chicken look? No browning. Remember, this is fricassee chicken. You don't need no browning, no ketchup, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my seasoning. Yes, I'm going to allow this to cook right down. Alright guys, so I'm going to allow this to cook for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes and then I check back. Alright guys, so you see it cook right down and you see how the color pretty without browning. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to taste if it have enough salt, because remember when I was seasoning up my meat I didn't put any salt, because most of the time the powder season that we use having a lot of salt. So I'm going to taste it now and see what it wants. Well, it could take some more salt, so I'm going to put it inside here. And then yes, and what I'm going to also add is some brown sugar. This is optional. I choose to use some brown sugar in my brown stew meat. Anything that I'm browning, I use some sugar. You don't have to use a lot, but it gives good flavor. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna allow this now to just cook down for maybe like 5 minutes, and then my fricassee chicken will be finished. Okay guys, so guys, my fricassee chicken is finished. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plate some for you guys to see how beautiful and delicious. Guys, this is my finished fricassee chicken. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plate some for you guys to see how beautiful and delicious this is. So guys, here is my finished dish, my fricassee chicken, and I'm serving it with some bunga rice and peas and some potato salad. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.